What's up, H&H family? Coach H here. Today we're gonna be working a foam rolling routine. So go grab your foam roller and let's get started. We can use the foam rollers in two ways. We can do it as a warm-up, activating our muscles, or we can use it as a recovery session after our workouts. So let's get started. We're gonna start off sitting down. We're gonna start from here. We're gonna roll all the way up to our mid-back, upper back. We really wanna avoid lowering on our lower back, okay? So let's go. We roll to our mid-back, and from here we're gonna start rolling nice and soft, keeping our hands behind our neck, elbows pointing the sky. I wanna go for around 30 seconds to 10 rolls. Nice and soft. I wanna target where I have more tension in my back, and I wanna roll more specifically in that point. Trying to release that stress, sending the blood flow to those muscles. 3 more, 1, 2, and perfect. From here, I'm gonna roll to my lat, get my lat nice and activated. Same thing, keeping one hand behind my head. I wanna engage my core the whole time. Make sure I'm not arching my back. Same thing, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna switch, other side. Perfect, hand behind my head, engage my core, nice and soft, releasing that stress, activating the muscle. Perfect, 3 more, 1, 2, and last one, perfect. From here, I'm gonna go to my glutes. I'm gonna start activating my glutes. So I wanna just sit on the foam roller. Next, I wanna move down to my glutes. I'm gonna sit on the foam roller and I'm gonna start just rocking back and forth 10 times. This is to hit overall the whole glutes, lower back, 3, 2, and perfect. From there, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna bring one leg above one and I'm gonna roll a little bit to that side, really targeting my hip muscles. 9, and perfect. Switch the other side. If this is too hard, I can just keep my leg down and just roll on my side. Okay? If you want to feel more activation, a deeper pressure point, bring your leg up. Good. 2 more. 1, and perfect. From there, I'm gonna move it down. I'm gonna really target my hamstrings. From there, I'm gonna bring my body up and roll on my hamstrings. 2 more, and last one. And perfect. Let's go down more and roll the calves. Same motion, bring my body up and keep that motion, rocking back and forth. If I want to put more pressure into it, I can always put one leg on top, work one leg first, and then the other leg for 30 seconds. Perfect. Next one, we're gonna target our quads. So I want to get on my knees. I want to get the foam roller close to my knees. I'm gonna bring my elbows down to the floor, creating a plank position. And from here, I'm gonna just rock back and forth, really targeting and trying to roll all over my quads. Good, 2 more, 1, and last one. Perfect, guys. All right, guys, there you go. That's a proper way to foam roll. If you wanna get more details on how to foam roll other muscles, send me a DM or comment down below, and don't forget to follow us for more content.